How are you all? Welcome to science video class of standard 2. Today we are going to start a new chapter. What is the name of a chapter? Weather and seasons. What is the name? Weather and season. What is the meaning of weather? Weather मतलब मौसम. What? Weather मतलब मौसम. And season. What are the three main seasons? Summer, winter and monsoon. So in this chapter we will learn about weather and seasons. So take page number 84 of your textbook. Okay. There are 365 days in a year, but the weather is not the same on all days. It changes from day to day. How many days are there in a year? 365. But do the weather is same at all the days? No. On some days we feel cold, some days we feel hot, then sometime it's rainy time. Yes or no? Yes. So all the days are not equal. Weather is not same on all days. It may be sunny, cold, windy, cloudy or rainy. The change in weather is caused by the sun, wind, clouds and rain. What are the type of weather? It may be sunny, it may be coldy, then windy or rainy. And what are the reason behind the change of a weather? Due to the sun, wind, clouds and rain. If it's rainy season, then rain will come. So which type of weather it is? Rainy. Very good. See, now activity time. What you have to do here? Color the picture of the day you like better. Complete the sentence to tell why you like it. See, how many pictures are there here? 2 pictures. You have to write that which picture do you like the most. See, I like blank day because then you have to write the reason. And the day which you like, you have to color in that picture. Understood? But this is as a homework section. You have to do this activity at your home. Understood? Yes. Now take the next page. When one type of weather stays for many days or month, we call it as a season. What is the meaning of season? When one type of weather, for example, if it is a hot, if hot is remaining for so many days, so many months, then we will call it as a season. If it's rain is coming, then we will call it as a monsoon season. Yes or no? Yes. There are 5 different seasons in a year. How many seasons are there? 5 seasons. Which are they? See, summer, monsoon and winter are 3 main seasons in our country. Which are the 3 main seasons? Summer, monsoon and winter. Spring and autumn come in between these 3 main seasons. Which 2 seasons are coming in between? Spring and autumn. So, which are the 5 seasons? Summer, monsoon, winter, spring, autumn. Repeat with me. Summer, monsoon, winter, spring, autumn. But only 3 main seasons are there. Which are the 3 main seasons? Summer, monsoon and winter. Now, one by one we will learn about each and every season. First of all, summer. Summer means what type of weather will be there? Hot and sunny. In summer, the sun shines very brightly and it is very hot. We sweat a lot and we feel thirsty all the time. What will be there in a summer? In summer it will be very hot. What will happen? We will feel thirsty at all the time. Hot winds called Lu blow making it difficult for us to stay outdoors. At that time, which type of wind is blowing? Loo. What is this? Loo. Hot wind is known as loo. Loo will blow and it will be very tough for us to stay outside. Why? Because outside there is very hot. We can't able to stay outdoors. We like to have cold water, cold drink and juices. What do we like to have on that day? Cold water, then ice cream, drinks and juice. We like to wear cotton clothes. Which type of clothes do we wear in a summer? Cotton clothes. We use fan, coolers and air conditioners to keep cool. Some people go to the hill stations in a summer. What do we use? We use fans, then cooler, AC, that is air conditioner. Then in summer vacation is there? Yes or no? Yes. So many people go to the hill stations for a trip or a picnic. Understood? Yes. Now, next season is monsoon. What type of weather is there in a monsoon? Rainy and cloudy. What type of weather? Rainy and cloudy. Monsoon brings a lot of rain. On a rainy day, everything is wet and slippery. It is cloudy and cool wind blow all the time. What will happen in monsoon season? Rain will come. Then what type of wind will blow? Wind will be cloudy and cool. Everything will become wet and slippery. We can hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. What will happen in the sky? Lightning. Then voice of thunder will come. We use an umbrella or wear a raincoat when we go outdoors. If we are going outside and rain is coming, then what we will use? We will use raincoat and umbrella. Yes or no? Yes. Children love to play in the rain. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky. Do you like to play in a rain? Yes. Whenever rain is coming, what we will do? We will go outside and we will take a bath in a rain. Yes or no? Yes. Then in sky what we are able to see? Rainbow. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7 colors. Very good. So what we have learned here? We have learned about the 2 seasons, summer and monsoon. What do we use in a monsoon? Raincoat, umbrella. Then which type of clothes do we wear in a summer? Cotton clothes. What do we like to eat in a summer? Ice creams, then cold drinks, juice. Yes or no? Yes. Turn the page. Take next page. Now activity time. See. What do you like to do on a hot day and a rainy day? What you have to write here? Things which you like to do on a hot day and on a rainy day. What do you like to do on a rainy day? To play during the rain. Then to watch a rainbow. Then what do you like on a hot day? To eat ice creams. Yes or no? Yes. So here you have to write this as your homework. Okay? Now, winter. What do we will feel in a winter? Cold. We feel cold in a winter. We use blanket and quilts to keep ourselves warm. People wear woolen clothes and use heaters or light fire to protect themselves from the cold. What will happen in a winter? There is too much of cold. So what do we use? Blankets. Then we wear sweaters. Yes or no? Yes. Sweaters are made up from wool. So which type of clothes we are wearing? We are wearing woolen clothes. Then what does people will use? Heaters or light fire, so that they will get protection from cold. Everyone likes to have hot drink and hot food. People like to sit in the sun and enjoy oranges and groundnuts. Some hilly areas even have snowfall. What do we like to have during winter? Hot drink. Then tea, coffee, these all are hot drinks. These all things we will like to have in a winter season. Then at that time we would like to sit in a sun because sun will give us some hot. And what we will enjoy on that day? Orange and groundnut. What we will enjoy? Orange and groundnut. And there are some hilly areas, hill stations where snowfall will also have. Next is autumn. Autumn is a dry and windy season. In autumn, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. It is mostly dry and windy. Dry leaves fall off from the trees. What is the autumn season? What we'll have? In autumn season, there will be not too much of hot and not too much of cold. It will be of equal level. It means not too much hot and not too much cold. We will like that season. And what type of weather is there? Dry and windy. What will happen in autumn season? Leaves will fall down from the trees. What will happen? Leaves will fall down from the trees. Take a next page. Next season, that is last, spring season. The weather in this season is pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the season of flowers and butterflies. Spring is called Basant in Hindi. What type of weather will there during spring season? Not too much of hot and not too much of cold. We will like that weather. It is a season of a pleasant. It is pleasant season. This season is for flowers and butterflies. Why? Because new flowers will come out and new leaves will come out in the trees. Okay? Yes. And what is the name of a season? Spring in Hindi? It is known as a Basant. It is known as Basant. Now, next we have to learn cycle of season in India. See, first of all, winter. In which month winter will come? December, January and early of February. Means 10 to 15 days of February. Again, when will winter come? December, January and February. After winter, which season will come? Spring season. What will come? Spring. When will spring come? Late February and March. Then summer. When will summer come? April, May and June. See, in summer season, in April month exam will be there, and then vacation is there, which is known as summer vacation. Yes, yeah, no? Yes. So in which month summer is coming? April, May and June. Then monsoon season. When rain will come? In which month? July, August, September. Which month? July, August, September. And autumn. In which month autumn is coming? October and November. Understood? Yes. Again, winter, then spring, summer, monsoon, autumn. So students, what we have learned in this chapter? We have learned about 5 seasons. What are the 3 main seasons? Summer, monsoon and winter. And which 2 seasons we have learned? Autumn and spring. Are you able to understand or not? Yes. So, we will complete our textbook writing in our next class. Till that, bye. Take care.